to see a like post on Instagram or how you can see your likes on Instagram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see your like post on Instagram. That you have to follow this step. So make sure that you have the latest version of your Instagram available on your device. If not, then you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have to download the latest version of your Instagram here. So after that, you have to open up your Instagram here. On the bottom, there is your profile. You have to go for that. Then on the top right, there is a 3-line option. You have to go for that. And here you have to go for your activity option. So under your activity, you can see the interaction option. And you can see the like under the interaction. You have to go for the like here. So here you can see that. How you have. So here you can see the like post on Instagram with the help of this simple step. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.